Good evening, friends. This is Mamaw. It's getting about supper time, and I haven't ate much today, so I'm going to make some scalloped potatoes and pork chops. I have 4 medium-sized potatoes peeled and sliced, and 1/2 of a medium-sized onion, and just diced up in the potatoes. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to make my sauce. In my pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give that a little mix. And preheat your oven to 400 and prepare an 8x8 dish. I've got my pork chops cooking too. We're going to let this brown up a little bit. I'm going to add some salt, just to your taste. Now we're going to add 3 cups of milk. About 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. We're going to let this melt together and thicken up. Now in my 8x8 dish, I'm going to put my potatoes and onions. And I did pre-cook them in the microwave for 3 minutes. Now that my sauce is done, it's done really good. I'm going to pour it over. I think I made too much. I'll put it in the fridge and use it on something else. Smells delicious. Now I'm going to sprinkle some more cheese. Now I'm going to lay the pork chops on top. This is going to go in the oven covered with foil and bake for about 45 minutes to an hour until the potatoes are tender. And now here it is, right out of the oven. It smells and looks delicious. I've made a big old mess. I got something all over me. And I got the sauce all over the sink. So I got a good cleanup coming. Whoop. Didn't even have to cut it. Absolutely delicious. And very hot. This is a meal in itself right here. If you wanted to add some sliced tomatoes or maybe a pickle or some beets or something, that would make it even better. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.